Concept Crossword is a solo review game. To play, you'll need the write-on wipe-off 20 by 20 grid and a whiteboard marker or two. To begin the game, you'll need a concept. Let me just wipe one on for you. Once players have the concept written in their board, it can be written anywhere, they need to create a crossword by linking different topics or things to each other. For example, decimals are another way of writing percentages, and so we can link them. Fractions are like percentages because percentages are a fraction out of 100 per century. Fractions don't have to be out of 100, but they link in that way. And you know, if I didn't put this here, I could have denominator, because fractions have a denominator, but the L is in the road, so I might have to figure out, you know, I might put decimals over here. So instead of writing it there, I could write it there and rub out this one and then put in denominator. Or it just fits. So now I've got my concept crossword started, and eventually it gets bigger and bigger, and at the end of the game you can score it. You get 1 point for every word that's spelled correctly in your crossword, so 1, 2, 3, 4 points for that. So I'll just write this, words, 4 points. Then for every link you can explain, so you need to put a square around everywhere the crossword intersects. So there's 3 places, and if I can explain them all, which I explained these two, fractions have a denominator, so that's all it requires to explain that. You get 2 points for each of these squares, so there's 6 points there, and these are called one-step links. Two-step links are when you link things that aren't even connected on the crossword. They're worth 3 points each. So for example, denominator and percentages, they're not directly linked, but percentages have a denominator of 100. So I can link them by drawing a line, and if the person I'm explaining that to is satisfied with that, I'd get 3 points for that. Try to make your two-step links not link back to the initial concept, but you can link things everywhere, and this helps you in review, helps you to understand what you've learnt and connect different things that you've learnt together.